Ready to embark on an adventure with your little co-pilot? A wailing baby can turn a flight into a melodrama, and you definitely don't want to be the star of that show. So, what's the game plan? Jet setting with a tiny human can feel like a mission impossible, but with some clever hacks and a sprinkle of magic, it can transform into a smooth and even fun-filled journey. We've gathered some golden nuggets of wisdom from seasoned parents to help you soar through this adventure with ease. When it comes to flying with a baby, direct flights are your best friend. They cut down on travel time and eliminate the hassle of layovers. Because let's face it, no one wants to juggle a baby and a layover. Timing your flights with your baby's nap schedule can be a game changer. One savvy parent shared their golden tip. Try to time flights with the baby's nap schedule if you can. The less time you spend entertaining a baby on a plane, the more sanity you'll have left. Take advantage of preboarding to get settled in without the mad dash of general boarding. But hey, some parents like to board last to minimize baby confinement time. Figure out what suits your family best. One clever parent shared their trick. Baby and I would board last. My husband would board first, gate check the stroller, and give our tray tables and armrests a quick disinfecting wipe down. Feeding your baby during takeoff and landing can be a game changer for ear pressure discomfort. Whether it's breastfeeding, bottle feeding, or using a pacifier, the magic of sucking helps equalize ear pressure. One parent hilariously noted, "Pacifier or bottle? During takeoff and landing, it's like giving them a VIP pass to Comfort Town." Ready to conquer the skies with your little one? Let's pack like a pro. Start by organizing your carry-on with easily accessible essentials. A compact diaper-changing kit, extra outfits for both baby and parent, and a selection of familiar and new toys can be a lifesaver. One savvy traveler suggested, pack a Ziploc with just 2 diapers, some individually packaged wipes, and a change of outfit for baby. Pop that bag in your carry-on, and once you're on the plane, stash it in your seat back pocket for easy access. Happy flying. Picture this. You're gliding through the airport with your baby snug in a carrier, and your hands are free to juggle passports, snacks, and maybe even a coffee. Security checks? A breeze. Plus, gate checking strollers and car seats means they're ready for action as soon as you land. One savvy traveler shared, "Wear the baby through security. It's like having a VIP pass. Trust us, having your hands free is a game changer." Keep your cool, folks. A calm parent equals a calm baby. Babies are like little stress detectors. If you're stressed, they'll know. Expect a few bumps along the way. Focus on soothing your baby, not the grumpy passenger next to you. One wise parent said, "The best advice? Bring a positive attitude." If you're chill, your baby will be chill too. If your baby cries, do your best to soothe them, but don't sweat it. Upon arrival, take your time disembarking to avoid the rush. No need to join the stampede. Make sure you have all your belongings. You don't want to leave behind that favorite teddy bear. Family restrooms and nursing rooms in the airport are like little oases, perfect for feeding and changing before you continue your adventure. One traveler shared, Nursing, pump rooms, and family restrooms were our saving grace before, between, and after flights. In conclusion, flying with a baby can be a wild ride. But with these tips and learning from the experiences of other seasoned parents, you can turn it into a smooth and enjoyable journey for both you and your little one. Happy travels!